Hello, and welcome to Flying Bricks. At Flying Bricks, we strive to produce the highest quality drones possible. We support a range of abilities from completely pre-made drones to extensive custom range kits. Our software is guaranteed to be of the highest quality, and it is not possible to bash our drones using the native software. Our drones come from the lowest prices and the most reliable providers. We hope you enjoy your visit at Flying Bricks.